Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun. Today I have come up with few words which are often mispronounced in English. And to help you out, I have come up with these words. So let's get started. Vegetable. It's not vegetable, it's vegetable. Eat more fresh vegetables. Breakfast. It's not breakfast. Breakfast. Did you have your breakfast? Almond. It's not almond. It's almond. She has almond-shaped eyes. Comfortable. Comfortable. It's not comfortable. It's comfortable. I made myself comfortable in the chair. Chocolate. Chocolate. It's not chocolate. It's chocolate. I love to eat chocolate. February. February. It's not February or February. It's February. February is the second month of the year. Pronunciation. Pronunciation. It's not pronunciation. Today we are discussing about pronunciation. Restaurant. Restaurant. We often say it restaurant, which is wrong. After having your dinner in a restaurant, you have to pay the bill. How do you call it? Bury? Wrong. It's bury. We'll bury it. Dengue. It's dengue. We often say it dengue, which is wrong. Dengue. Last year, my friend had dengue. Women. Women. It's not woman. It's women. Respect women. Heart. Heart. Is it hurt? Wrong. It's not hurt. It's heart. My heart is singing today with joy. Asthma. Asthma. It's not asthma. He was afflicted with asthma. Cloth. Cloth. And clothes. Clothes. I have a piece of cloth and I made a few clothes with this cloth. Gauge. Gauge. It's not gauge. It's gauge. Next, pizza. Pizza. It's not pizza. It's pizza. Children love to eat pizza. Monk. Monk. It's not monk, it's monk. Monk is an enlightened person. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday is wrong. It's Wednesday. See you on Wednesday. Often. Often. Often is wrong. Often. I meet him often. Data. Data. It's not data. It's wrong. It's data. Today, data entry jobs have become common. So, Friends, you can see it's that easy and you all can do it, and I'm very sure that it's possible by you too. So see you soon in my next episode. Till then, bye-bye.